Oh, of course we do, because we're her daughters. I think it's normal for moms to cry over their daughters because they care about them. And I'm pretty sure my mom cares about me. If she didn't, that would be concerning. But she cares about me, so I'm pretty sure, yeah, she does cry over us. But that's normal naman, so.
See, Annabelle,
Well,
you review her.
it usually depends when she cries because it's about us. You know, sometimes you're makulit, we did something bad, or it's about love, a mother's love for us, and things that she does for us. And hope you know, mommy, that we're proud of you, and whatever decision you make them will accept, and we love you forever.
I'm talking about the mother's love. Alam mo, Richard, I know why you're very concerned ang mother mo about your hobby, motorcycling. Kasi nangyari yun sa asawa ni Garcia mo. Sa isang ano na, nagkamali lang siya. Ayun.
Riot lang.
Just in case na siya.
Downhill mountain biking po yata yung accident.
Oo, riot lang.
Pero mas kinaha.
Oo. Sobrang extreme din kasi nung ano niya, yung sport na yun. Well, yung sa amin naman very calculated and very, we take safety precautions and may schooling na ako ng motorcycling and every time we travel, meron kaming laging briefing, tapos may mga rules kami siniset as a group. So we try to stay defensive as much as possible pag nagkakain kami with motorcycles. So we try to avoid anything na will put us in a higher risk kasi risky na nga yung ginagawa namin. But we try to make sure na we're on the defensive side of riding.
Just be safe.
Thanks, Sida.
Thanks, si Loli, may natanong.